All right, fam. Super short work break today. I don't want to waste y'all's time or mine. Over at Acme Tools, Skil and Skilsaw, anything over $149, you save up to $40, which is not bad because I mean, they've got a ton of stuff here. The ever famous mag worm drive saw. That thing's a beast. If you're in framing, you should own one. The portable worm drive table saw, $449. Take $40 off that. I think I saw, there it is, the Skil job site table saw with integrated stand. I think that's kind of neat. I'm not sure what the lowest price is on that. I already own a table saw and several miter saws. But the brand new rear handle from Skil, $249. I believe my boy Marius has a review on that. So if you want to know what it's like, go check that out. I will attempt to link his video in the description down below. Wet tile saw with hydro lock system, $149. I believe you save $40 on that. That's not bad. $109 for the wet saw. I've heard nothing but bad stuff on that heavy duty reciprocating saw from Skilsaw. So, you know, at your own risk on that. The 40-volt leaf blower with battery and charger, $159. Not bad. I will leave a link to this page in the description down below. Let's get to some Toolnut stuff. Nice and nutty. Okay, you guys will notice the ever famous rear handle climbing in price at a bunch of stores. I don't know how much longer the bogo is going to last on this, especially at $249. I already saw Depot jacked up the price to $349. But what's cool about Toolnut, yeah, I don't want protection. Oh, no. My phone's going to get pregos. So what's cool about Toolnut is you get different free items than the ones you would normally get over at the Depot and other such places. Let's check them out. The blower, The multi-tool, don't buy that. That thing is junk. Just don't. Trust me on that one. And the planer, which is hardly ever on sale, super difficult to find. I think I've only seen it once bogoed in the entire time that I've run this YouTube channel over the past a little over a year now at this point. So it's there, it's in stock. I don't want to hear any whining about it if it sells out after this video goes up. You guys know how the deal game works. You snooze, you lose. Someone else is taking your lunch. Now, switching gears back over at the Depot. Yes, I am well aware of the situation with the store change numbers not working at the moment. Now, if you guys remember, there was about a day and a half last fall when none of the hacks were cancelable. I don't know if this is going to be permanent or not, but for the moment, just wait, hold off. There's no way to know if it's permanent or not. But like I said, I'm not wasting your time or mine. Both, thrice, all three of the M18 fuel impact driver, drill driver, and hammer drill are currently hackable over at the Depot. So you're going to go to any of the free gift with purchase on the links that will be in the description down below. You're going to select the 3.0, which honestly is not a bad price, $149 for the M18 Impact with the 3.0. Add them to the cart. You're going to see your price breakdown there. In the cart is where you're going to want to split them up anyway. $82 for the Gen 3. That's not bad. Please don't pay $66 for a high output 3.0. I know it's cool, high output 3.0, but I'm sure there's cheaper ways to get your hands on that. And of course, the breakdowns for the hammer drill. And you know what? F it. Let's do the hammer drill. It is there. It is in stock. And there are 1,469 of those available. So I don't think they're going to sell out anytime soon. Of course, I'm going to have to clean this cart up. That price, I doubt that's the price. Let's go into the cart. Let's get rid of that fan. Heat gun. Why do I have a heat gun in there? It's hot enough already. It's freaking summer. That would have been good during the winter, I guess. Let's get rid of that. Hacksaw. They fixed those bogos, by the way. If y'all snoozed on those M12 bogos, those are donezo. Okay. Okay, we've got our 3.0. What's going on here? Okay, so I was wrong. I guess 99 bucks is as good as it's going to get for the time being until we find some other store. Obviously, you're not going to want that 3.0, so cancel that out. Do store pickup on those hammer drills and Gen 3s. 99 bucks, not bad. Not great either. I wouldn't trip over myself getting this. I know the drill driver is probably 10 bucks cheaper, so if you aren't going to be drilling into concrete, maybe pass on this one. Anyways, finally, I know what most of you guys are here for anyway. A while ago, and yes, I paused it because things were getting out of hand. A while ago, I started Deal Team 6. It started as an IG chat for all the big-time deal makers to join. That group filled up so fast. And over time, we've had some people leave and we've had other people queued up to join that IG chat. It goes nonstop, 24 hours a day. We've gotten a crazy amount of deals over there to the point where a lot of people were wanting to join. Obviously, IG only gives you 30 spaces per chat, which is not ideal. So then I started the Deal Team 6 Facebook. Granted, I'm not in there that often, okay? So if you're expecting to see me on there, don't expect it that much. I check maybe once a week. And there's been a ton of whining, crying, and I didn't get this deal, I didn't get that deal. A whole bunch of stuff. Hey, that's pretty good right there. Let's check that out real quick. M18 hammer drill driver kit with 2 5s. Ooh, that's hackable, huh? I will leave that link in the description. Anyway, that's neither here nor there. It got out of hand. Deal Team 6, fam, has always been about getting good deals and spreading the wealth. Somewhere along the way, it became about snitching and bitching. All right? I'm not cool with that. When things stop being fun, I just walk. Now, I'm not going to nuke or burn Deal Team 6 down to the ground. What we're working on is we're going to make the group private. It will be invite only. Anyone who gets out of line will be banned. If you drop the soap, you'll be banned. If you chew gum on a Tuesday, you'll be banned. If you tie your shoelaces incorrectly, bunny ears. Not through the hole, fam. Bunny ears. Through the hole it's yag, okay? Bunny ears. You'll be banned. Oh my God. Oh. Anyways, the point is, don't stress people out with this stuff, fam. I'm going to, right here in this video, resume the group. Just like that. And like I said, it will be invite only for the foreseeable future. Other rules that still remain in effect are, have fun. If you want to promote your social media or whatever, I don't care. That's always been the rule. You can post your videos, post whatever. Just, delete it after a few days because that's kind of... Anyway, it's there for the community, by the community. It's not there for snitches that'll be getting stitches. Snitch and you ban. Also, the unnecessary flexing is, I get it. It's cool. You got 200 whatever. You cleaned them out. That's good for you. Why are you flexing and trolling? I'm not saying it's bad because I enjoy a good flex and a good troll myself. But in situations like this, we're all trying to have a good time. We're all trying to help others find deals. So if you do sell something out, just, enjoy your day. I don't know what the fuck. The point is, don't make me burn Deal Team 6 to the ground, fam. I can. I have a delete button. Now, that's the end of Vindictive Joe. Let's go back to Fun Joe. Don't turn me back to the old me. And I really don't know where to end this, how to end this. Look at Scuba Steve. Have at it. Good luck.